Yo, want a juice that's a total game changer for your health and your vibe? Today, we're blending a powerhouse trio: watermelon, beetroot, and lime. This drink's got citrulline, nitrates, and antioxidants to boost your energy, libido, and mood. Let's get juicing. Grab these. A quarter of a juicy watermelon. Look at that pinkish red goodness. One medium beetroot, earthy and vibrant. And half a lime for physics lime for that zesty kick. That's it. Just three simple ingredients for a drink that packs a punch. First, scoop out the watermelon flesh, seeds and all, no stress. Peel your beetroot to avoid that gritty texture and chop it into chunks. Slice your lime in half. Pro tip, give it a quick roll on the counter to release those juices. Toss the watermelon, beetroot, and half a lime into your juicer. If you're using a blender, strain it after for a smoother sip. Fire up that juicer. Watch these beauties transform into a ruby red elixir. Watermelon's citrulline boosts blood flow. Hello, better erections. Beetroot's nitrates pump up nitric oxide for stamina and libido. And lime? It's loaded with antioxidants to keep your mind sharp and stress low. Pour it into a chilled glass. Look at that color. Sip this daily for a natural health boost. It's refreshing, slightly sweet and tangy. Your body's gonna thank you, trust me. That's it. 2 minutes to a drink that's good for your heart, your head, and your, well, you know. Blend, drink, and feel the vibe. Got a favorite juice combo? Drop it below, and don't forget to like and follow for more health hacks. Cheers to feeling awesome.